Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. I take great pleasure in coming and presenting to you a new onto site, the new Coachman Lusso. What a fantastically well-spec'd twin axle caravan, new to the market for 2021 with some fantastic features. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. So a twin axle 8-foot wide caravan with transverse island bed and rear bathroom and a G-shaped front lounge. At the front of the caravan, you see you've got the two side locker boxes, right hand side for two 6kg gas bottles and the left hand side for other amenities like your step, your steady winder for your legs, your electric hookup cable, but just being cautious and careful of nose weight. At the front of the caravan, we've got the new Coachman badge and logo that you see identified there. You're benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. Where the Lusso really stands out is when you come down the side here and see this wonderful full stretch decal with the Lusso logo on the side there. Also benefiting from the E&P self-leveling system, making a far easier system for you to put the legs down and prepare your caravan once you arrive to site. Down the side, we've got an exterior barbecue point, exterior 240 volt socket, and also a wet locker box located there. Tinted windows throughout as well, creating a fantastic level of privacy and also benefiting from having a solar panel on the roof and built-in Wi-Fi. So stepping inside, the first thing you notice is this very large and generous sized G-shaped front lounge. One of the key features with this table is this table can move around in a variety of positions and also turn completely around. So comfortable in moving around on it, but also choosing how you wish to seat yourselves and get comfortable. A very plush and high quality fabric scheme used with these corner knuckles, which I really think stand out and show this as very unique. You've got the panoramic sunroof located at the front and the two-tone lockers offset really well with the fantastic wood grain chosen in this particular model. Coupled with a medium-sized Hecky light creates a fantastic feeling of space centered around this lounge area. Here you have individual touch, as you see there, LED spotlights located throughout the caravan. Benefiting from the Aldi wet central heating system with the main control centre located above the habitation door and some fantastic and really accented mood lighting dotted throughout the caravan to show this caravan in all its glory. Over the kitchen area, you've got the gloss finish with an easy usable height microwave. You've got the Corian pebbled work surface with infill section to the sink there. The mood lighting throughout the kitchen that you can see here with ample amounts of storage and also benefiting from these positive catches on the drawers. 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination Thetford oven and grill with pan storage underneath. Also benefiting from an electronic extractor fan that you can see located under there, just to really finish this caravan off well in the kitchen area. A generous sized window towards the centre as we turn around to the extremely large, tall fridge freezer. Television point located here with TV bracket on the side and also further storage and some unique shelving with that mood lighting again going throughout. Storage located above the fridge. And then as you step towards the bedroom area, you've got your first cupboard located here with a hanging rail in it and also the positive catch drawers underneath with that high quality of finish on that wood grain finish on the cabinetry. So the transverse island bed you currently see here down in the day position, creating a generous amount of space to move around the edge and high quality of finish on the curtains as we step forwards to the second television point located here to pop a TV in the bedroom area and a very generous sized vanity mirror. Stepping through to the bathroom, you've got the Aldi heated towel rail positioned just next to the Thetford toilet with storage located above and also some robe hooks and mood lighting. The shower, a fantastically large, well-finished individual shower cubicle, so plenty of space in there, and also generous storage located underneath this transverse island bed. The cupboards again going throughout into the bedroom area with that two-tone, and just to show you as well the soft close cupboard doors. So a real thought process has gone in to this Lusso, and it's a fantastically well spec caravan and worth every single penny of the £41,000 that this caravan is up for sale and retailing at. If you have any queries or questions in relation to the Coachman Lusso, please feel free to get in contact with us. We'd be more than happy to help you. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour, and this has given you a brief flavour of what the Lusso is all about. It's on site now, so please feel free to come and view it at Grantham Caravans. We look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.